Alright, I have to laugh. Both my boys are working. He is not working. He's just being a turd. The little one's carrying a piece of wood over there for me. The big one's dumping over some fence. All that fence buried under here. So you gotta take it out and we gotta move it. Look at him. He's cute. We gotta move it so we can cut this grass. I need to go ahead and give it a try because I apparently need to learn. So this is gonna go really well. Super excited for that.
Time for a crash course. Go up. Keep going. Keep going. Up. All right. Up a little more. Yep. Look at her go.
Obviously, yesterday when I had my crash course and like how to drive the skid steer, I should have also had him teach me how to start it. So I've been sitting in this thing forever and like I have it buckled and then I turn the key and I have to wait for the countdown or whatever and I have to wait and hear it like beep and then I can start it. It's not starting. I have gravel to move, so that sucks. So my brother-in-law is on his way here to teach me how to start it. To no fault of my own, the battery was dead. So, yay! I tried to hook up my GoPro, realized I don't have a memory card in it, and I'm giving up. So, that is what it is. I have no effing clue what I'm doing. It's not working. I got like a little bit of gravel in there. You can't even see it. I don't even know what to do right now. Oh, this sucks. I did a thing. I did it. It's like the smallest amount of gravel, but I did it. Woo! Feeling good. So Casey got a little bit jealous. I was driving the skid steer, so I had to give him a turn. I'm in the go-kart now. We'll go check on him. I feel like I did a much better job. Like, not trying to brag. Well, that was a really good scoop. That was very fluid. All right. He's okay. He's pretty decent. All right. So, Casey took over. I went and made a little daiquiri for myself, and he wants to show me how he did. My goodness. I think we're ready to put a shed over here. You did a really good job. I feel really bad about myself. I worked on this for a while this morning, and like, you just cleared it all out.
Well, I've been doing it for 4 months, so.
He's basically a professional now. All right, this is exciting. So besides this, we have to cut the grass. That's the next project, but all the gravel's moved. Yay.
Winning.